back to YouTube, episode number 121, and today's episode is on Georgette and Tussar Banarasi. I was supposed to show only Georgettes, but then I thought that there have been some new weaves in Tussar Banarasi, so I've clubbed Georgette and Tussar together. So keep watching. Product number 1, monotone, but okay, yes, this is solely on monotone. It's a Rani color with antique zari weave. Like I always say, I have a soft corner for antiques. Antique zari makes a product, especially the pure woven saris, look much more vibrant and classy. This is not the totally antique one. This has more of goldish antique, so it's looking very gorgeous. This is the border in the blouse piece, solid color blouse piece. This is the pallu part. Product number 1, and the price is 10,900 rupees. It's solid color. It's fully in Rani color, magenta tone Rani, not the very loud one. And this is the sari. This is product number 1, 10,900, and along with this I'll show you more colors which is available now in monotone. This is the pallu part. See the weave of the pallu and very intricate all over weave in the body. Small zari weaves throughout. So I have a lovely purple in this also. This is the exact purple color. Gorgeous, very rich purple. Very smart color, very in color now. And see, you can understand the exact color from this blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the border. Since the sari is fully woven, the blouse, I've kept it solid, no weaves except for the border. So this is the border and the pallu part. The price remains the same, and throughout there will be the same weave. Product number 2. I had worn a maroon in this in a few of the few episodes ago, so it was very much in demand, so we woven another whole lot. So this is in purple, similar weave, same border, same buta, except the colors are new. Now coming to product number 3, similar one in red. So this is a red one, again in monotone. Goldish antique zari weave. None of our, 95% of our saris are not shiny gold. This is the border, but see, there's always a rich weave. Even though it is not shiny one, you can understand how gorgeous this looks. Goldenish in deep red. It's a very nice red, you know, it goes with our Indian complexion. We love this Shidure Lal color. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We do not filter our products. We are doing this shoot in our showroom light. The colors may be 18-20 difference, but you know, you can that you have to compromise a bit during this online purchasing, but I always try to tell you verbally exact color. Like this is, it's blackish bottle green. Sometimes, you know, it seems as it's black, but no, it's very, very dark bottle green. So I always verbally tell you the exact color, because when we are writing it in a scroll, it's not possible to write blackish, bottle green, so many terms not possible to write, but so we write just bottle green. But verbally, when I see there is a bit of difference you cannot understand, I try to tell you which is white, which is off-white. So please, and if you have any confusion of the color, please ask me the color. I'll be readily tell you the color it is. 11,900 for this double border check pure Georgette Banarasi. These are all hand woven pure handloom weaves with deep rust blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the border. Since we do not send any individual pictures, for these you can just check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these individual pictures will be uploaded in the Georgette Banarasi album and also the bridal collection album. So in that case, if you have any confusion, you can check out the details, you can check out the still pictures of the product in the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the link is already provided. Also there is the Insta page. So for any confusion, you can check that page. This is royal blue, again with double border. Pure Georgette Banarasi hand weaves. Checks, it's lovely weave, very smart looking, and the border is in deep orange and magenta with magenta blouse piece. It's a bright Rani magenta. 11,900 double border. I had myself worn a black in this before. Very smart looking sari, but very traditional. Absolutely handloom, pure Georgette hand woven weaves. Just see the brightness of the blue. Now this is again with Buta, that was in checks, now in Buta. This is the blouse piece. This is the pleat part. It's half and half concept sari, so it's better if I show you this way. Let me drape it for you, then you can understand. This upper part will have the smaller Buta, and it has a contrast green border, contrast green pallu, and it will have a contrast green blouse piece. 11,900 rupees. This is the upper part as I am showing you, and now coming the pleat part. So this is the pleats. It looks very nice on draping because the pleats will have the big butas. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border in solid green. This looks equally nice on wearing. Now coming to leher weave, number 7, 11,900 double border leher weave, diagonal stripes, the color is deep rust color. With burgundy and green border. It's a navy burgundy with green border. You can say more it's a navy color, the borders, because these are all dyed and double tone, few are double tone, so very difficult to say the exact color, but all the color combinations are very thoughtfully woven. So all the color will, I mean the color that we've matched, I'm sure you will like it. Like the blouse is coming to the border color in navy. This is the blouse piece. Very nice color combination, very smart sari in leher. It will come in diagonal stripe, very smart. Now coming to number 8, a royal blue, 11,900 again. Royal blue with a leaf green and Rani color combination. How gorgeous and bright these look on wearing for weddings and for parties. These are really very gorgeous looking sari, and you know, these always get pride in our wardrobe. Number 8, this is the pallu. Here comes the blouse piece. It's first come first serve basis, so once I give you the bank details, it's a business account bank details. Once I confirm you that the sari is available, I will only then give you the bank details. Many of you already have my details who are returning customers, but please, until and unless I confirm you, I know you love my products and you are fully supporting a small scale business, but please, until and unless I give you the confirmation, please don't make transfer. There are so many, without my confirmation they have the bank details, they already make the payment, and then I have to refund them because the sari may be sold out. Only please pay when this product is available. Number 8, 11,900 rupees. This is the pallu part. And since it's a business account, refunding is very difficult. So I don't want to go into that hassle. So only when the product is available, I will give you the bank details after I confirm. And then once the payment is received, I will definitely ship it to you within 2 to 3 working days. Here is a lovely shade of off-white and red with all over jal weave. 11,900. It's a gorgeous sari, ideal for mother-in-laws to be, or mothers who are getting their daughters married. Beautiful sari, and you know, this is an off-white and red, always look with all over gold weave. It looks so pretty on wearing, and always my favorite, red and gold. And see the weave. It's beautiful jal weave in floral design with a bright red blouse piece. It's a very nice looking sari, very pretty. Now number 10, this is horizontal stripe, very smart one, but you know, many of you think that no, this will look broader when you are wearing a horizontal stripe, but no, see, when you are wearing it like this in the pallu part, so it becomes diagonal. And only the pleat part will have the horizontal stripe, but it looks awesome. And by now you must have known that I love horizontal stripes. This is the blouse piece. What a rich combination. Isn't it gorgeous? And these have such a beautiful fall that you know, it looks very pretty. It has a great fall. 11,900 for this midnight blue and reddish Rani color, reddish magenta blouse piece. Now coming to number 11, another red and off-white gold sari. Similar one that I showed in number 10. See the pallu, big pallu, 11,900, same price. Red blouse, bright red, beautiful color combination. Just take the screenshot. The number is already going. Take the screenshot along with the description and WhatsApp to the numbers provided 7603042696 or the other number, any one of the number. Once we receive your payment, we'll ship it to you and you will receive within India within 4 to 5 working days, out in Kolkata within 1 to 2 days I suppose nowadays, and then internationally also we are shipping regularly. Now something that what I am wearing, let me explain it to you. This is a ghat chola weave, it's a check weave like a ghat chola sari with zari woven buta throughout in between the checks. It has a double border, one is in the turmeric color, the haldi kind of orangish mustard color, it's actually a mustard color with a rani color border. See, it's a broad border, daman, the upper part will have a narrower border. The lower part has double border, broad border. This is the pallu. This is the pallu part. And it will have this rani color blouse piece with this. So with this, it will make the sari look very rich. The price of this is 12,900 rupees, 12,500, 12,500 for the sari that I am wearing. This is in pure Georgette Banarasi, and the neck piece that I am wearing is 4,500 with rice pearls. The length can be increased. It has the tassel. Just see the temple jewelry with the pearl setting. Very neat finish. These are all premium jewelries, and it will have this jhumka also with this earring. The whole set is 4,500 rupees for the set. These go very well with white and golds and any other traditional saris. Now coming to number 12. Similar to what I am wearing, mine is more of off-white. This is a bit darker shade. It's a beige color. Deeper off-white, creamish color. It's kind of a butter color, very pretty color, very sober, and with the weave, just see the weave, so much of weave in this, and it has a shikarga border also. It has a shikarga border, red and green color combination. Shikarga woven double border. The upper part will also have a shikarga border in green, narrow border, and the body is in lovely jal weave. It's basically a gold color sari with double border, pure Georgette Banarasi, hand woven with love, and it will have a lovely red blouse. It's a rich, gorgeous, pure weave. Gorgeous the border is looking, just see. Very unique. Since the festive season is round the corner, so these are the rich weaves that we are doing now. I'm sure you will love them. Now coming to Tussar Banarasi. This is in pure tussar, all from Banaras with Chandni Zari weave in mustard color. It's a lovely, it's a very unique shade of mustard with silver zari weave. Very classy. The pallu, 13,900. Episode 121, product number 13. Since most of the old products, the previous episode products are sold out, so you have to be very quick in your bookings. We do almost 3 to 4 episodes every week, and every time we show new weaves, so don't worry those who are not getting. I'm sure you will get it. I mean, these kind of weaves we'll show in regularly, but all will be different from each other because we are not taking any order for hand woven saris. This is the blouse piece. It's in mustard with all over zari woven blouse piece in silver. It's a very rich color, very different sari. This is the buta throughout. It will have booties, and since it has the rich blouse piece, it will look very rich on wearing. And it's a very different color. Actually, it's a very classy sari. 13,900 for this Tussar Banarasi. These are all pure Tussar Banarasi. We are 26 now. This is the 26th year running almost. This August we will complete 26 years. So, and you are paying it to a business account. We built up a reputation past 26 years where people rely on our quality and the products, and you know, I can tell you that I've been doing this business very honestly and very passionately for the, and I've never deviated from these hand woven products. These are all you know, and all my weavers we've retained for the, from the very beginning they've been working with us. So 14,900 rupees for this coffee and silver color hand woven pure Tussar Banarasi. See the Konya buta and all over buta in the border, pallu. Throughout the sari will have the buta. The border is in Nakshi weave with Konya border buta. And this is the sari. It's a beautiful coffee color in earth tone. Here, I had worn a similar one in grey color. So then these colors were not there. These are the new colors that we've woven. The blouse piece for this is running. It will have a running blouse piece. Now coming to product number 15. Slate color, Meena buta. This is not zari, this is resham. This is zari. So see, this is looking so, because of this resham and zari, and both in the same tone colors, it's looking, this is coffee color, this is the goldenish zari color. With the rich woven blouse piece and pallu. 11,900, I suppose 500. 11,500 rupees for this. In case I miss out the price, just check out the description part. It's already mentioned. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications so that you can understand what will be the next video. You will get the notification soon whenever we upload a video. Just see the border, how gorgeous and rich this is looking. And because of the buta, because the Meena buta, the slate color is giving a new dimension. It's getting a new dimension. It's very pretty. Red and Rani buta throughout. Now changing the pattern. This is with Meena border, that had the Meena buta. This is with the Meena border. These are all Karwa weaves. It's a brick red color. Navy border, Meena, pallu and blouse piece. Now one thing, this is in pure tussar. The blouse will be in katan. Why I give a katan blouse is even the border. The border is, it's not attached, it's woven only. I give katan blouse because of tussar is a bit matte and the blouse is in pure silk katan. So it gives a very rich concept, of silk and tussar. It looks very rich. Here is the sari. I'm sure the border is clear. Another very pretty color. It's a new color, lime green color with navy. Very fresh color. We ship worldwide. The shipping charges depends on the weight and the destination internationally, even locally. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata with an additional charge. This is the blouse piece in navy. So you see the navy and the lime is looking so different. It's a refreshing change. 13,500, all same price, similar sari except for the colors. Big buttas throughout and very soft and good finish. So you can understand from here. Mughal Butta, our signature collection, and but nowadays it's taking a lot of time to create this because we've been getting thought of giving a break in this sari Mughal Butta, but then every time there is someone or the other asking for Mughal Butta. So these are the new colors. Those who are waiting, you can just take a look. This is a beautiful bottle green color with purple and Rani Meena Butta. It's a signature collection and everybody loves this sari. Tassar Mughal Butta, 12,900 rupees. The border, the meenas, the combination, the fabric, of course, everything together brings out a lovely, unique design in traditional Banarasi. Red, again with purple and Rani Butta. We have many more collection in our branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. The other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We have only 2 branches only in Kolkata. 12,900 rupees for this Mughal Butta. But to get this particular product, maybe if you're lucky enough, you'll get it in the store, more colors, but always all the saris are not available, ma'am. So for that you have to do prior booking. If I keep on keeping all the saris that I show in the store, then where will I keep the new collection? So it keeps coming and going, but if you want to get this, definitely there's a WhatsApp number. You have to book it in advance. If it's available, I'll let you know. This is the sari. It's a deep red color, but not maroon. It's a red color, deep red color. 12,900 for Mughal Butta. This price is for the past 10 years. Same price I've been maintaining for Mughal Buttas. Number 19, magenta and emerald green. It's a Rama green border with dual tone magenta color. It will have butta and it's a very unique border. The weave in the border is so smart, very traditional, and it's a beautiful weave in the border. And this price is coming to 13,500 rupees for this. This is the border color. Very rich color combination. and of course it will have this contrast woven blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. It's along with the pallu part. So you see the color combination there, the magenta with the emerald green. Product number 19, 13,500 rupees. Now a bit earthy tones. Product number 20, grey, it's ash color. Again, it's a very unique color. It's neither pista, neither full slate color. In fact, this is slate color. Charcoal grey, but this is a bit silverish ash. Very different. See, there's a difference in both the shades. Lot of difference. With rich wine color border. Number 20, 13,500. Rich wine color, dark maroonish tone. This is the actual color, you can understand from the blouse piece. Wow, it's a beautiful combination. I'm loving the combination. The border color, the blouse piece color. Here is the sari. And as I showed you this one, it's also a very different shade actually. This too has the same color blouse piece in Katan. $13,500. Same price. Rich weaves. The best quality fabric in Tussar Banarasi. The last in this peacock green color. Our all-time favorite color. So peacock green and this rich maroon. This is also very uncommon color combination. Blouse piece. The whole sari I am showing you clearly as much as possible. I am explaining it to you as much as I can. And now the lucky ones will get these, but don't worry, I'll be creating many more. Now coming to the one that the mannequin is wearing. This is khadi georgette. This is blended. Now in Sanskriti we will always openly tell you which is pure, which is blended. This is blended khadi georgette. It's in gold zari with tissue digital woven blouse piece. It's a mustard yellow digital gold blouse piece with the border. This is the pallu. Digital printing in the body. And the price is 8,500 rupees for this sari. It's a very different shade. It's lightweight, soft and very good quality. Though it's blended, don't think this is this is be very uncomfortable. No, even in blended, since we do it with our by our own weavers, the quality we try to maintain the best. This is the woven sari. 8,500 for this mannequin sari. Similarly, I'll show you few more because many of you want a bit more budget friendly. Those who don't want the pure Georgette ones which are above 10,000. So for them, obviously not always we we want some budget friendly saris also for gifting purpose. This is another one, 7,990 rupees, almost half the price. 7,990 for this Georgette Banarasi all over gold woven digital pallu. 7,990. This is the blouse piece in lavender, in a dusty mauve color, you can say light burgundy color, and the body is in pink. The border and the blouse piece is same color. It's a soft strawberry pink color. These equally look very nice. Yes, this is golden zari. Because why I'll tell you I've used golden zari, since this is digital print and in a strawberry color, in this if I use antique it will not show at all. So in this print and then antique, then it will just not stand out. So for this we've done this golden zari weave throughout the body and also the border. 7,990 rupees for this Khadi Georgette Banarasi. This is an off-white color. Very sober, off-white with throughout gold and digital floral print, soothing with a pink color border. 7,990 for this again with a pink color, rose pink blouse piece. Soft floral, lightweight, rich looks but reasonably priced. Just see the border. Yes, see the back side also, so you can understand the finish. Only 7,990 rupees. And the last one in this, it's a mint green color. With again digital print and Banarasi zari weave. With this there will be this contrast blouse piece in blue. It's a bluish grayish navy. 7,990 rupees, product number 25. Floral, sober, soothing and pocket friendly. Please do like, share and subscribe, and you can always visit the store for more collection. We have the tailoring unit also. We have the men's ethnic wear collection. We have dupattas and many more variety in our store. So please visit. Here is it. Sundays we remain closed. The rest of the weekdays, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are open every day. Thank you.